Santa's flying reindeer. Using glue, let's wrap the toilet paper core with brown paper. This will be the reindeer's body. Let's insert the fuzzy wire and twist. These will be his legs. Let's glue the nose and draw the eyes. Let's put its antlers. Now let's put the head on the body. Tape the straw and insert the yarn. Now let's inflate the balloon. Do not twist and tie, just hold it tight. Tape it at the end. Now tie the string from one end to the other, release the balloon and watch him fly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy playing!